guys, it's QueenBeast32 here, back for another video, and today, me and my sister, we made Fluffy slime in the previous two videos, and that's hers, this one's hers, and this one's mine, and we're going to be playing with it and seeing which one's better, and then I'm talking to you right there, and leave a comment down below to say if hers is better or if Queen's is better. Comment down below Queen if you think Queen's better, or comment down below sister if you guys think hers is better. Okay then, let's get on with the video. Okay. So we are starting our challenge. Okay, so first we are going to do the stretch test, and you guys will be the judge of this. Say who round one, round two, round three, and round four. So first, she stretches hers. She needs to be on camera to stretch hers. And I think she needs a little bit borax on her hands. That's okay. Okay, now she rubs the borax on her hands. Here. And she's going to rub that borax on her hands to make sure the slime doesn't stick to her, even if it's a little bit sticky. Okay, so she's going to be doing her stretch test first. So she's going to get the slime out of her bowl, and she's going to be stretching it. Oh, that stretched really good. Okay, so now it's my turn to do the stretch test on my slime. Okay, this is mine. That was a really good stretch. I stretch it out of camera reach. Okay, so now we are going to be doing the poking slime one. Okay, so she's going to put hers down on the counter, and she's going to move her bowl out of the way, and then she's going to poke it, and you guys have to say who's the better poking noise. So she's going to put it down on the thing. She's going to poke it. That makes a really good poking noise. Now it's my turn. Put mine in the same place she did. That's a good poking noise.
Yours is more different color than mine.
Okay, and now it's going to be the swirl test. She's going to be going first. Well, first, hers is the stretch of the swirl, before the swirl, and then our fourth round will be the swirl, actually. Okay, that was a pretty good stretch. Okay, so I'm going to do my stretch of the swirl. Okay, so this is what my stretch of the swirl looks like. That's a really good stretch. Now we're going to do the actual swirl. And this is round 4. Okay, so that's her swirl.
I wasn't ready.
Oh, she wasn't ready, so she gets to redo her swirl. Because she made up the rules. Okay, so she's going to do her swirl now. I'll film her doing it. Okay, so that's her swirl. Guys see that? Okay, so that's her swirl. Then I'm going to make my swirl now so she can show you it. Okay, you hold the camera. so hold it down. Okay, so I'm just swirling it. Okay, I'm getting ready to do my swirl. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. But that's my swirl.
That's her swirl.
Okay, so that was my swirl. So comment down below, say round one, then say round one, sister one, or say round one, queen one. And then you can just say that on all of them. But I think you guys saw this slime if you watched my previous videos. This slime, it's like, you can see the green more now. It doesn't look as white as it did before. So thanks for watching this video. I think me and my sister did pretty well on our slimes. So this one's mine. This one's mine, and that one's hers. So I think we did pretty well. Bye, and come back for our next videos, and peace.